Good morning. I'm Steve from Quantamize, and you're going to want to watch this video because we're about to tell you the most important trends and news driving markets this morning. You're watching the Quantamize Global AM Markets Preview.
Good morning. Today's May 9th, 2019. The VIX is sitting at 21 right now, more or less little move from yesterday. And if you look at demand for ETFs owning short-term VIX futures, yesterday we began to see outflows. Could this be the beginning of the end of the current volatility spike? This is definitely something to closely follow. Risk-off sentiment is dominating markets as investors continue to be pessimistic about a deal being reached. But I buy into Morgenthal's theory of political realism, where states act rationally in their interests. What is the takeaway? Both the US and China want this deal. They need some type of deal to be reached. The last 2 weeks I've been hammering home the point about adding low beta stocks to your portfolio. Feels like the market is now finally catching up with flows into consumer staples and utility ETFs dominating ETF fund flows yesterday. This morning I'm spending my time looking at IBUY and YUM China. Yesterday we published a call spread call on Alibaba, just an awesome options trade idea. All three of these names are names we've been highlighting as names to buy on the dip. Continue to look for plays that will do well independent of tariffs. Now is the time to be contrarian and look for new ideas. Now let me tell you about some really important stock news you need to be following this morning. Walt Disney reports fiscal second quarter adjusted earnings and revenue that beat consensus. Media Networks operating income grew nearly $1 billion quarter over quarter. Feels like Disney's ready for a breakout. Intel provides updated disappointing guidance. Revenue growth is expected to be in the low single digits over the next 3 years, with EPS growth in line with revenue. Intel expects its PC revenue to be flat or fall, while data center revenue will grow in the high single digits. And finally, Google is struggling to convert its music customers to paying customers. Google's YouTube was revamped about a year ago, with YouTube Music now a paid subscription. According to internet data, more people listen to music on YouTube than any other streaming service. However, users have grown accustomed to free access to YouTube and appear hesitant to sign up for paid subscriptions. This is definitely something I'm going to be following. I'm a big YouTube user, and so are my 2 toddlers.
Thanks for watching this video. We'd love to hear from you. Subscribe to our YouTube channel, leave a comment below, shoot us a tweet, or send us an email. Let us know what you think about our AM Markets Preview and some other points that you'd like us to mention. I'm Steve from Quantamize, and you were just watching the Quantamize Global AM Markets Preview.